Hi there, students. Extraneous, an adjective. I guess you could have an adverb extraneously, and even a noun, extraneousness, the quality. Okay, if something is extraneous, it's unrelated. It's unrelated to the thing that you're talking about, to the matter at hand. Okay, so this is extraneous to what we are discussing. Extraneous information. Um, Information that's not directly connected, it's not directly related to the thing in question. Okay, you could have extraneous matter of external origin. So there was a black thing in the milk. There was some extraneous matter, something from outside, something that didn't belong there. Okay, so we've got two different ways. Either something that's beside the point, it's irrelevant. We are always talking about different extraneous matters, and we never focus on the thing that we really should be talking about. Yeah. So yeah, extraneous data. This is extraneous to the matter at hand. Let's try and concentrate exactly on the problem. Yeah, very often when you're talking to somebody, you get extraneous thoughts. Some thought comes in about something completely different. So I'm here making this video to you, and I suddenly get this extraneous thought about what I'm going to have for lunch. It's completely irrelevant to this video that I'm making for you. Okay, yeah, it can be difficult to keep away extraneous thoughts from time to time. One of the problems I have often making videos is there are extraneous noises that come from the street, or an aeroplane going past, or somebody suddenly comes in. Yeah? Okay, so that's the that's extraneous. We were talking extraneously about things that weren't really related to what we were doing. So extraneous, something that comes in from outside. Yes, for example, pharmaceutical laboratories have all sorts of cleaning things and seals to stop extraneous substances from entering the system. If you find a meteorite that's come from the heavens, it's best you don't touch it with your hands to so that you avoid getting extraneous matter from your hands onto it. It's better for the researchers, something from outside, something that doesn't truly belong, something that's irrelevant. Okay, so it's something that's alien, or it's something that's not an essential part of the thing. Okay, so yeah, when we go on holiday, we take the essential things we need, like underpants and shoes, but then we bring all sorts of extraneous things as well. Yeah, they're not vital elements, they're not essential parts of something. Yeah, they're not essential parts of our holiday. Yeah. um I get the feeling that water companies put all sorts of extraneous things in our food. An extraneous remark, something that's not relevant. Yeah, it's irrelevant, it's unrelated, it's unconnected. Yeah, it's beside the point. Let's not get sidetracked by extraneous matters. You can also use this extraneous meaning external or foreign. So yeah, there were extraneous influences impinging on the negotiations. Don't let extraneous things go into your mind from other places. Okay, and then extraneous, something non-essential, unnecessary, peripheral, supplementary, incidental. Yeah, just give me the plain facts. Don't give me any extraneous details, because these extraneous details will just sidetrack us. Will take us away from what we're trying to do. So in a purification process, you try and extract all extraneous matter. Okay, so formality. This is certainly slightly formal. Extraneous. 6, informality. I think you could just about use it in an informal conversation. I think much better in a semi-formal conversation or a semi-formal writing, or in something very formal. And then as to origin, it comes from extraneous. Um, Extra in Latin means outside, outside, and the aneus, I think, just makes it into an adjective. Okay, so extraneous, not relevant to what you're talking about, foreign, from outside, um, not what you wanted. Yeah, something, an impurity, if you like. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Extraneous.